Hello everybody, my name is Mr.Shyling and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you Hamila Blvd that's began from Punak Square and leads to Neighboe Park Phase 1. Let's go. This is the Punak Square and this is Punak neighborhood. This is Ashrafi Esfahani Expressway and also that is Mirza Babai Boulevard and this is Hamila Blvd. Let's go.
This is the taxi station.
And these guys are taxi drivers. That big building is one of the
mall is under construction.
Usually people in Iran have a car of Iran Khodro company or Saipa.
Like Pride, 206 405 and some other car.
Drugstore, school, and this crazy guy. Oh, I forgot something. This building right there is Azad University.
Tehran Center branch.
This is the end of Hamila Blvd, and right there is Neighboe Blvd Park Phase 1. This is the entrance of Neighboe Blvd Park. Actually, that is Sharq Gharb neighborhood. That's the other side of Neighboe Blvd Park. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like and leave a comment. Make sure to hit subscribe button and turn on your notification. And finally, I hope to see you in the next video.